start the class, and today we will be studying three things: verbal, non-verbal analogy. What is analogy? Okay. Whenever we talk about in talking, okay, that something, let's say we are trying to appreciate a person. Okay. Let us say we are trying to appreciate someone. Okay. That person was looking like a gentleman. Okay. What is then? If that is, we are like comparing that person to gentleman. Okay. That person was looking like a lady. Okay. Right, guys. So these are called your verbal analogy. Okay. Like that girl is looking like a doll or something like that. You can make it on all by yourself, right? Okay. So that is your analogy. Okay. We are just comparing. Okay. Since I'm just giving an analogy when we say no many a times, I'm just giving an analogy. Since this person spends this much of money, when he has money, how will he behave when he start the job? He will still spend a lot of money. Okay. Analogy is basically your kind of comparison. Okay, kind of comparison. Okay. And you guys have already seen it in your English classes as well, right? Non-verbal series, as the name suggests, there will be like 3, 4, 5 pictures given to you. Okay. And they will be asking what will be the logical, what will be the next figure which follows the logical sequence in this all 4, 5, 3, 4, 5, whatever the premises maybe. Okay. Premises means the condition that is given to you, the preconditions. Okay. The conditions. Okay. Like saying, okay, all of these are cutting each other at 90 degree. Okay. So this is one of the premises. Okay. The conditions. Right, guys? And non-verbal classification, lastly, is in simple words, in your language, in the aspirants' language, this is nothing but odd one out. Okay, odd one out. Okay. You classify the 4, 5 given figures, okay, except for one, as to what sort, there must be some sort of relationship, but this one is, odd one out. Okay, like, there is like a boy, a boy, a boy, girl, a boy. Okay, obviously the girl is odd one out there. Okay, right. Okay, there's a cow, 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 buffalo, cow. So buffalo is the odd one out, right? Okay, I mean it will look obviously awkward. There's like cat, dog, cat, 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 cat. So obviously, so you will classify all this as with one in one bucket, and you will, keep all these things as your exceptions, which will be basically your answer. Right, guys? You understood the concept? Shall we move on to the question? This is the only concept you are supposed to learn over here. Right, guys? Shall we move?
Yes, sir.
Cool. And we'll be studying tomorrow as well. It's a long one. Okay. So we'll be studying this PPT. We'll pick it all over again and we'll study it all over again. Okay. I mean, wherever we left, we leave today and we'll pick it up from tomorrow onwards. Exactly from there. Yes, guys. We have solved this question the very first day when I met you. This is from the model question paper.
Option C, sir.
Okay, option C. We'll evaluate that. You mean this one?
Yes, sir.
Okay. In the following question, 4 figure 1, 2, 3, 4, 3 are similar in certain manner. Always remember to read the question carefully. Yep. Vizhi.
D.
D. Good. Okay. The one who said D, can you please tell me with what logic you thought D as the answer?
So the shaded portion in the other three are extremely opposite, but in fourth it is in plain sight.
Okay. Okay. That logic is also correct. Okay, that logic is also correct. But let me be very much clear to you guys. Okay, there will be a few of the questions which will be little bit disputed. Okay, 50-50 like this. It is pretty much clear to you. These two are similar. Okay, that means both of these are not odd one out. Right, guys? We are basically left with these two. Okay. So the answer option over here is 3. Okay, as per the answer key. Right. They have given the logic that at least one of the shaded part is, or one of the shaded part is at the center. But over here, none of the shaded part is at the center. Right? Okay. You might say that in this one, at least these two, the wings, the shaded part of these wings are at the opposite side, but let me erase it. But at the same time, there is some sort of dispute when it comes to the shaded part over here. Okay. Right, guys? So even this logic is correct. It's again like saying which one is closer to 50, 49 or 47. Which one is closer to 50? 49. Okay. So it's a kind of 50-50 question. If you want to take risk, you can take risk. I would suggest you guys to take risk. Okay. In 50% of the cases, you will get it correct. And if you are unlucky a little bit, you will get it wrong. Okay. But out of 32 questions which you generally being asked in reasoning, there is only 1 or 2 questions like this which will disturb you. Am I clear, guys? A majority of the questions will be damn easy. Okay, I'm saying it 3 times. Right? So, as per the answer key, C is the answer. So let's just tick 3. But I'm also not ready to digest this option. Okay. Just because it's there in the answer key, I'm accepting it. Okay. So 3 and 4, if you are choosing this one, both are okay. Let's move to the next one. Right, guys? Cool. Guys,
Yes,
any
sir.
argument from your side? I'm ready to listen. I'm ready to change my mind. What do you think? Tell me, yes or no. What do you think? What is your mindset? What is your line of reasoning? Is this line of reasoning where in option number 3, at least one of these shaded one is in the center? This logic is also correct. Okay. And this logic wherein the opposite to wings, the shaded part of the wings is exactly symmetrically opposite. This is also true. Right now. Right now. Shall we move, guys?
Yes, sir.
Cool. Thank you. Yes. We have done this one too.
Option C, sir.
Okay, we'll evaluate that. Thank you so much. Let's pick up the first element. Down, down, up, up, up. Down, down, up, up, up. Okay. Now let's pick up the second element. Okay. Down, up, 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 down. Down. Let's write it here. Okay. A moment. Let's write it down for the second element. Okay. First element, second element. Okay. Down, up, 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 down. Okay. For the third element, we are assuming this circle as up. Okay. The orientation circle upside, that means we are assuming it as up. Up, 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 down, down for the third element. Okay. Up, 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 down, down. That means the orientation of each of these elements are changing after 3 iteration. Right, guys? So that means it will be 3 times up over here. That means the orientation of this arrow will change. Will it change or not? Right, guys? So if
Yes.
it changes, so it will look like this. Where do we have? We have in option 1, we have in option 2. 3 and 4 got cancelled. Right? Okay. In the third one, down, down, down. Okay. This one, third element. Let me change the color. Okay. This one will be down. One more time down. 3 times up. 3 times down. This is the series going on for each of the element, guys. Okay. So 1 and 2 both are possible. Okay. We cannot eliminate that. Okay. Over here, 3 times up already is there. And now there will be 3 times down. Down, down, down. Right? So, if it is down, 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 that means which one will be the answer? Guys,
Second.
second option. Okay. Second option will be your answer in that case, right? Buddy, the one who mentioned C. Did you follow the logic, buddy?
Yes, sir.
Anybody who wishes to contest, please present your logic. Or otherwise we'll move. Guys, we have 3 types of questions to cover. At least we'll start those 3, if not the 60 slides, right? Cool. Shall we move?
Sir, I thought of a different logic, sir.
Yes. What logic? Please tell.
So, sir, from the first figure to second figure, the middle one is going up, sir.
Okay.
And from second to third, the left side one is going up, sir.
Okay.
So, consequently, the next is right side is changing, sir.
Okay.
And again, the middle is changed.
One moment. Again, the middle is changed.
So, that left will change, right, sir?
You are saying that middle has changed. Okay. So
For the first time, sir.
middle has changed. Okay. The right, in that case, from here to here, middle has changed. Okay.
Yes, sir.
One moment. Let me do this. Okay. So from here to here, middle has changed. Okay.
Yes, sir.
From here to here,
Left side has changed, sir.
left has changed. Okay. From here to here,
Right, sir.
right has changed. From here to here,
Again, middle has changed.
again has the middle, left, right, middle. So left.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
So, in that case, the option will be C, sir.
Middle has changed from here to here. Left has changed, right has changed, and from here to here, middle has changed. Okay. Then left will change. This one will change, right?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
If this one changes, buddy, look carefully. Is it 3 or
3, sir.
it's 3?
Yes, sir.
You sure it's 3? 3 cannot be the answer because these two elements are shifting their places. Okay. You cannot in none of the questions their places have shifted.
Okay, sir. Got it.
No. Okay. So even if this middle after that left changes, okay, even if the left changes, these two will remain constant. These two are remaining constant over here. And now this one alone, let me, one moment. Now this one alone, this one alone will change the direction. Okay. Just change the direction of this one alone. So what will be that? Okay. In C option, these two they have changed their position, right? These two have changed their position, and that is why this option has been cancelled, right?
Yes, sir.
So we'll go ahead with B. Okay. Thank you so much. That was a very beautiful doubt. Yeah. Even I learned something new. Yes. What will come next in the series? What will come next in the series, boys and girls?
Sir, option D.
Okay, option D. We'll evaluate that. Anybody any different opinion over here, guys? So the first thing we can observe that in the very next figure, a new kind of element is being introduced, right? These two were there. This is gone. Okay. Now What is happening? Okay, still these two are here. This one is gone. Okay, but now this time S is gone. Okay, S is gone. Okay, 1 second. There is a different way to think about it. Another way to think about is to look at each of these elements. Okay, let's look at each of these elements in that case. Okay, this side, this side, this side. Okay, it is pretty clear that in the first one diagonal is this way, then it is changing this way. Okay, and then again it is changing this way, right? So for sure it will again come this way, right? I mean this direction. This one is okay, this one is not okay, this one is okay, and this one is okay. One is gone. Let's eliminate, let's try to eliminate other three as well. This one, we will have a new, yes.
That arrow changes like 45, 90 degree anti-clockwise in every box.
Yeah. That's an easy way out. No, we just trying to think from multiple perspective. Okay, so every figure there is a new type of figure, new type of element coming into the picture, right? So we can also eliminate option 3 as well, because all the elements are pretty much the same, right? And now let's compare option 3 and 4. In the option 3 and 4, finally this element, this element, this element, this element, both are at the same position. The only difference is being made by this arrow. And now, as my dear friend mentioned, the arrow is like it's changing its direction by 90 degree anti-clockwise, and then this, and then this. Okay. But in exam, don't do it. Okay. Exam, do it as thought and told by my friend, and as exactly the way you thought. Right, guys? Just wanted to tell you that there can be multiple perspective to think about the same question. Right? Shall we move?
Sir, and I got another approach also, sir.
You got another?
Approach.
Yes. What is that approach? Please tell.
So the relation between 1 and 2, like we are finding that one, and in the same way we are going to find the fourth by seeing third one, sir. Like not the entire all the 3 squares. Like
Sorry,
first two,
I did not get you.
sir, in first 1 and 2 we are going to find the relation, sir. Like in that the top corner there was a unshaded circle. In second it is shaded one, but the same circle. In the same way, third it is shaded square, and in the fourth it may be the unshaded square.
Yeah, that is a good logic. Okay, but when we study non-verbal analogy, non-verbal analogy, we'll be applying this concept in that. Okay,
Okay, sir.
this approach is not wrong, but we are studying what, which will continue the same series. Okay, we are just going by the theory. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4. All these 4 of these needs to be similar. We cannot just simply find the relationship between these two and then these two, right?
Okay, sir.
These type of question will also come in analogy part, non-verbal analogy part. We have to find the relationship among all these 4 at a time, right? So there has to be a relationship between 2 and 3 as well, right?
Okay, sir.
Yeah. In examination, whichever way is easy for you, choose that. We are studying over here. Okay. So that's the case. Easy one. Yes. Yeah. Anybody any doubt in this one? Please ask. Anybody any doubt, guys? Please. If you answer to the question quickly, we'll move quick. We'll cover more number of questions. I will leave you early either. Right. Anybody any doubt, guys? Yes or no? Shall we move? No doubt? Cool. Thank you so much. Yes. I don't think I should zoom this one out for you. Zoom this in for you. Yes, Pari. Ajit.
C, sir.
Sorry?
C, sir.
Option number 4. Yes. Who is that?
Sir, option B.
Option B.
Yes, sir.
B for beta.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Anybody with 1 and 2?
Sir, option C, sir.
Option C,
Option
sir.
C.
Option C, sir.
Anybody with option 1? Guys, look. On any given day, these types of questions, you will prioritize. You will ask me, sir, this one is very small. This one is big. This one is okay size. This one is like almost same size as 1. Okay. No. You will prioritize direction. Direction, that means orientation over size. Right, guys? This is what we studied yesterday as well in the embedded figure, when one of my dear friends, he told us that there is some figure like this, exact figure like this, okay, and there was a smaller one in the answer figure like this. We told we had to change our option, even though there was another option wherein, please pardon my drawing, guys, okay, which was something like this, almost the same size. Right, this is what this spiral is, this direction, it's this, it's opposite direction, it's this direction. Now tell me which one is correct. Yes, Ajit Kumar, buddy, did you get it? Anybody in class, any doubt? Okay, you will prioritize orientation and direction over their size, right? Yes, you are right that the size of the fourth one is smaller, I understand that, but you have to prioritize direction. This is the way, guys, okay? Because had I been the question paper setter, I would have given full marks to all of you. But unfortunately, that's not the case. Sorry about that. Yeah, same.
Option C, sir.
Option C, sir.
Same one? Same one? Do I need to explain? This direction, this direction, same direction. It is different direction. Okay, whatever you say, clockwise, anti-clockwise, whatever the terminology is. I'm not a big fan of it. Okay? Right? I'm a fan of logic. So 3 is your answer. Ajit, did you get it, buddy? Will you ever make mistakes in this type of question? If you do, it would be a crime. Yes. Next in
Option B, sir.
I mean, guys, come on. Please look at the question, yeah. Come on. Now
Option
you
B,
are
sir.
taking performance
Option one.
pressure. Sir is not teaching well.
Option B, sir.
Okay, buddy. Anybody else? A, B, C, D, 1, 2, 3, 4. Tell all. One
B,
thing
sir.
is clear. Outside, inside, outside, inside, outside,
Option B.
inside. That means only inside one will be the correct. 3 and 4, chuck it out. Now we'll think. Okay. Now what shall we think? Okay, this is moving. This has moved from this to this and this. It has moved from this. Okay, this is the series going, right? So obviously in the next one, this one will be filled and this one will be unfilled. Right, guys? Oh no, sorry. We'll go with this one. No, apologies, guys. This one will be unfilled. Sorry, guys. Yeah. This one will be unfilled and this one will be filled. Where is that? 2. Do you want me to zoom in, guys? Not required. Shall we move?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Read the
Option
question.
3, sir.
Yeah, obviously. Wherever the arrow, the point is just to the right hand side, you have a dot, the S dot. Just to the right hand side, just tilt your head and look at option number 2. Okay. It's just to the right hand side. Just to the right hand side. Tilt right and tilt left and look at it. Okay. So option 3 is different. Anybody, any problem? Any doubts, any queries?
No, sir.
I hope not. Cool. Yes. Take 30 seconds. Don't give me performance pressure.
Option B, sir.
Come on, yeah. Easy, yeah.
Sir,
Yeah,
can you
Option
please
B.
zoom in, sir?
Okay, sure. We'll do that. Thank you so much.
Option B, sir.
Anybody else with 1, 2, 3, 4? Anybody with 1, 2, 3, 4? Okay. Yes, guys. So all of these are moving. In which direction they are moving?
Anti-clockwise.
Sorry?
Anti-clockwise direction.
Anti-clockwise. Okay. Over here it is moving anti-clockwise. This one has gone down. This one has gone down. Okay. In this one, what has happened? This one has gone down. This one has gone down. Okay. This one has gone down. This one has gone down. This one has gone down. This one has gone. Okay. I don't know what direction is this. I'd like to say downwards. Okay. So that means star and equal sign will be in between. There will be another 4 elements, right? Where do we have star and O in between? In option 2 only. Guys, do you want me to evaluate for other 4 elements as well? No? Shall we tick and move?
Yes, sir.
Cool. Thank you so much, guys. Shall we move? If you are not getting this much of clarity, then please do evaluate all the elements inside that problem figure, right? Since we have got the clarity, and just tell me in the next figure how will it look like? In the middle one, it will look S equal to there whatever comes. Right, guys? Shall we move?
Yes,
Guys?
sir.
Cool. Yep. Next in the series.
Option yes, sir.
Anybody else?
Option C, sir.
Option C. Okay. I like disputes. Yes. No, you have heard of that story, 2 person fighting and the third person, the monkey, eating their chapatis.
Sir, no problem, sir. Option A only, sir.
Okay. Option A, you change your mind? Cool.
Yes, sir. Now only I noticed.
Cool. The figure that is outside, which is essentially in the next series, is going inside and being shaded. Okay. So we'll have triangle shaded. Inside triangle, it will be shaded. Right? But then A, that means your D and 2. I mean 2 and 4. These two gone. This sort of questions you need to look very carefully. Okay. In reasoning, please eliminate 3 options. Please eliminate why 3 options cannot be there. Instead of finding why, one answer is correct. Okay. A, AB, ABC, ABCD. Right, guys? Shall we move? Shall we move? Shall we
Yes, sir.
move? So this thing, remember it, the way to solve reasoning paper is to eliminate 3 options and not to find out which one option is correct. Right? In most of the cases, you will do this and then one of them will be your answer. Okay, the one which you have not eliminated. Yes.
Option B, sir.
Okay, 65. We are dealing with 65. Anybody other than B? These two are not your odd one outs. These two are same as these two are not odd one out. Okay. 3 concentric figure, 3 similar figures. Okay. But over here, there is what? There is a rectangle, and inside the rectangle, there is this. Okay. Basically, there are 3 figures: 1 triangle, 2 triangle, 3 triangle. Even if you count it, it will be like 1 rectangle, 2 rectangle, 3 rectangle, and 4 rectangle. Okay. 4, 3, 2, 1. Right, guys? 66. Anybody with problem with 65? Quick, guys, quick. Yes, guys. 66. Give me a moment, guys. Yeah, this looks like a good problem. So let's think about it. Can you establish?
D, sir.
Sorry?
D, sir.
D, question number 66. Someone is saying D. Anybody else? Any other opinion? Any opinion? Okay, let's try and evaluate. Let's try and find out what is the look. One thing is for sure that this is triangle, This is triangle, and to the left hand side of triangle we have got these two elements, and to the right hand side of the triangle we have got these two elements. Okay, there is triangle, left hand side same these two elements, and the right hand side same these two elements, right? So obviously option A and B will not be your answer. Okay, so let's do this eraser. Okay, and between C and D, how we'll evaluate? We'll be evaluating option C and D. There is circle, circle. Okay, to the left hand side of circle we have, to the left hand side of circle, if you look, if you tilt your head and look, so these two are the elements x and equal to. Okay, and to the right hand you have got this triangle. Okay, even though guys, look, 66, in my opinion D should be your answer, and as mentioned by one of your friends too. What do you think? Can you see a similarity between A and B? This triangle, left hand side, these two. Okay, no, we don't have these two. Right? Yes, Bari, who was that person who said D? With what logic you said? I'm unable to get it. Yeah.
Every picture has every symbol, sir. A, B, C has same symbol. But in compare with it, D has a rectangle shape,
Oh,
which is
yeah.
not having the other C.
Yeah, beautiful. Yeah, absolutely. That was a very keen observation. Thank you so much. Okay, very, very beautiful observation. Thank you so much. Yes, guys, any doubt with question number 66? We had to look it with this much of, wait a moment. Come on, buddy, just move that side. Yeah. Yes. This is your new element, and over here, you know what they have done is that, which element they have chucked out? Yeah, plus they have chucked out. Okay, so you got to have a very, very keen observation. Many a times when we deal with all these 4-5 small elements, we tend to miss one thing or the another. Okay, just wanted to mention to you, there will be a test in something called CPSS, computerized pilot selection system. Okay, there will be a big screen. Okay, there will be a big screen, and in that screen they will show you an emoji. Let's say they show you this one. Okay, and this will be a problem statement, and then there will be a next screen. Okay, and there will be lot of small emojis, many small emojis. Okay, like let's say this number as 1000. Okay, something like that, and you will have all your joysticks and all, and you will have to take your cursor to that place, and you have to select each of these emojis. Each one of these emojis would look like this. Okay, which look like this. Okay, and many a times, even though it is there in front of your eyes, it can happen that you may or may not be able to see it. Okay, so it happens, right? So be prepared. Yes, guys, 67. Any doubt, anyone with question number 66? Do not randomly say, yes, guys. Anybody has any doubt with question number 66? Or can we go ahead with question number 67? Guys,
No doubt, sir.
cool. What do you think about question number 66 in that case? Sorry, 67. Yes, guys.
C, sir.
Yeah, obviously C. Majority of the questions will be very easy. Okay, because all of them are cutting over here at one concentric point, at least one concentric point. Okay, but in this one, wait a moment. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. You might think you might think, look, there is no dispute between B and D. Okay, these two are almost similar. Okay, but there seems to be little bit of dispute between A and C because of the presence of these two lines. Right? These two lines. Right, guys? Okay. So over here, the problem is that this is the main problem, that they are not cutting at a concentric place. Okay, even though these two are your extra elements. Okay. Again, this is like a same question. Which one is closer towards 100? 97 or 90? Okay. Even though this is not a complete correct answer, even though this is not completely related to this and this, had this one been for you, let us say something, one moment, this is something like this, okay, 1, 2, 3, okay, 3, then we would have said like, okay, fine, all of these are coming and meeting at some center. Okay, but we have this, because of this figure is not 100, but this figure is 97. Okay, over here, this is, at least one of those lines, they are, these lines, each of these lines, if you look more closely, okay, each of these lines, they are kind of dividing it, okay, in equal parts. But over here, since we don't have all this, in one concentric circle, I mean not at one place, that is center, this will be your answer, guys. Right? Sometimes you will have to go ahead with your guts in that case. Right, guys? Any problem, any doubt? Guys, any opinion, any different opinion, if you guys have, please let me know. Yes, guys, what do you think? What do you think about question number 67?
No problem, sir.
Cool. Shall we go ahead with question number 68 in that case?
Yes, sir.
Cool. What should be the answer in that case? Okay.
C, sir.
C, sir.
C is a different one.
C, sir.
Okay. Let's try and evaluate. In that case, we have like 5 plus 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4. And the rest is 4 circle, 4 circle, 4 circle. Okay. All the other ones, all the other figures are not as, uniformly distributed. The distribution of plus sign and a circle sign doesn't seem to be uniformly distributed in anywhere else other than in this figure. Right, guys? Right?
Yes, sir.
So 68 will be your answer. There is no other way to explain this. Right? If you find, let me know. Okay? Shall we move?
Yes, sir.
Shall we move? Next in the series. What do you think should be the next in the series?
C,
Oh,
sir.
little bit loud. Option
C, sir.
C. Okay. One thing it is clear, triangle, this corner, whatever the element is moving down. Triangle came here. Okay. This is coming down. This will come down. If this comes down, that means there is a very good probability that C is your answer. But we will not conclude based on a single element. We will at least verify with 2, 3 more elements. Okay, at least 2. Okay. Over here, it was in the left corner, then it came in between, then it came in the right corner. Left corner, okay, then it moved over here. Okay, so that means whichever is this one will move to the right and this one will move another position here. So it will be something like this, 1, 2, 3. Over here, it will be a star. And then this, your equal sign, this equal sign will move a place to its right, and triangle will move a place to its right. There is no other option other than C, which looks like this, right, guys? Now you eliminate these three options like this. Yes. Question number 69, guys. 79. Yeah.
Option B.
Sorry. This one, once it went from this one, then it went from this one. Again, it will go from this one. So there'll be something like this and this. Any problem, guys? Shall we move? Next question.
Yes, sir.
Next question. Cool. Yes. Let me just. Yes. Next in the series.
B, sir.
B.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, just wait a moment. What do other guys think about this question? Question number 8. You might say, sir, all the 4 options look similar. One is a big one, small one, big one, small one, big one, small one, all big one, small one, big, small, big, small, big, small. Okay. Over here, you will also have to look at this. There's 3 sides, 4 sides. Okay, again, 4 sides. Triangle, square, rectangle. Then what? 3 side, 4 side, 4 side. Even though it looks directly that B should be the answer, but why B should be the answer? Okay.
Sir, can we select the odd one out from options?
Sorry?
Can we select the odd one out from the options, sir?
You can do that, but it's not advisable. You can do that. Basically, look, what you are trying to say that since it's already over here, this cannot be the answer, right?
So no, sir. Comparing all the 4 options, B is the odd one. Like the location of the figure is in center.
And also the number of sides we can decide, like, sir.
The number of sides in figure 2.
In the options, everyone are 4, sir, except B. B is 5.
Yeah, but then over here, 3 sides, 4 sides, 4 sides, and then what will be the next? How can we conclude that it will have only 5 sides? Even D has 5 sides, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Though it doesn't look like a very regular polygon like this, it looks like a very little bit a different kind of polygon. Concave, convex we call it. Okay, convex polygon. So how can we conclude that?
So what I thought is first have 3 and second have 4, and the distance between them has been reduced, sir. So the same number of sides has been came. So on next it became 5, sir. And the gap between them is 0.
So such type of questions, look guys, look, by gut, it feels be correct. To me also it feels be correct, okay. But if by any chance the question paper setter, they say that no, C is the answer, okay, because of so XYZ logic of their own, don't be alarmed, okay. A few of the questions will disturb you, right? So better let's just go by gut feeling in that case. Our gut says B, because I'm not convinced with this that these two are coming closer and then the number of sides increasing or something like that. I'm not convinced. Honestly, I'm not convinced. Okay.
But the location of figure is in center. Is that conclusion okay, sir? From the options.
But in this one, these two are located on the farther side at the center.
But no one is located like the farther side. It is
Yes.
They are joined together and the joined figures should be located in center.
Yes. So we'll accept this logic because in all this, look, there is also another one problem that in these two, option number 1 and 2, these two figures are located on the farther side, okay. Then in the third one, they have come in the center. Then in the next figure, why can't it be in the left corner like this, and like this? Why? What's the problem with that? Okay. So better let's just go with B. Okay. Right, guys? We cannot say for sure with what logic, with what temperament, with what thought process the question paper has been set, right? A majority of the cases, they will follow some logic. Many of the times, that logic will not be clearly visible to us, okay? So, in that case, the last option is to go with the options, okay? And somebody asked, can we choose the odd one out from options? As far as examination is concerned, you can, okay? You can. If it gets you right answer, it's okay. But if these type of questions, finally the key comes, and in the key they say, like, okay, fine, there's like, 3 sides, then it became 4 sides, then 5 sides, okay, and these 5 sides, then eventually 3, 4, 5, okay, then again it became, one moment, guys, I can't take calls at this point of time, yeah. So 5 sides, and then there's 4 sides. So next it will be 5 sides, and now they are coming closer. Now they have come closer, and then they will move left or right or something like that. Okay, some random logic. It can happen, guys. Okay, just be prepared. Okay, so as I said to you, this is the second question, that second or maybe the third dicey question we are seeing like this. Okay, in the entire paper that we have solved, and in your entire PPT, there are 10 previous year question paper, right? Shall we move? Ultimately,
sir.
we will only be correct, okay? But I'm just telling, if you guys are looking for some solid logic, there is no solid logic, right? Right, guys? Okay. I know you guys are also not convinced. I know. I'm also not convinced. No problem. In that scenario, in that case, we will respect the people, those who have set this question papers. Okay, right? Yes, guys.
Yes, sir.
Yes. What do you think about this?
Option D.
Option D, sir.
Okay. Okay. The orientation, obviously, in the next figure, it will look like this. None is like this. Okay. In this type of question, do not make mistake. Right? Cool. This one, moving to 1, 2, then 1, 2. Over here, it will be a black one. Only in B option. Let's check for this one also. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. Okay. B is your answer. Shall we move, guys?
Yes, sir.
Sorry. Yes, guys. Odd one out. Look carefully. Look carefully. How much I can. Yes. I think this much it is visible for you guys.
Yes, sir.
Cool. Yes. Now let's do just preliminary investigation. What are the elements we have got?
Option C, sir.
Yes. Yes. This is the odd one out. Okay. Cool, guys. We'll have to be little vigilant about all this. Yes. 95. 95, boys. And these papers have been taken from the times wherein your AFCAT cutoff used to be 70, 80, 75, 80 marks out of 300. Half of the cutoff that we have today. So these questions are tough questions, right? So we need to exercise our mental faculty.
Option D.
Option D. Option D. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Right, guys? Guys, there are 7 lines in all this ABC, but in D alone there are 8 lines. Right? So
Sir.
you are supposed to think in that way also. Right? Yes, 96. Ready for disputes? A or D? Yeah, B and C won't be the answer. Everybody knows it. A or D?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Sure. Look carefully, guys. Look carefully.
Sir, option D.
Yes,
Okay.
option D. Option D is your correct answer, not option A. Why? Because inside the two figures, it will be same figure, same figure, same figure. Okay. Now you will say orientation. Orientation doesn't matter. Can we say this circle? I mean, opposite. I mean, it's in opposite direction. I mean, whichever direction circle is there, it will be the same. No, and same will be the case for square also. Okay. Let's say the circle side is facing up inside one, and in this inside square, this side this is facing down. What is the difference? It will look pretty much the same, but over here in D there is clear cut difference. There is clear cut difference that the outer figure is concentric, but then you got to have the inner figures, these two, and in this case these two triangles, even though it is opposite in orientation, they should be, equal. Same figure, right? Anybody would like to contest 96? Be careful of such type of questions, buddy. Such type of questions you need to be very, very careful, right? Take a moment to let it sink in. Even I used to get it wrong when I was at your position. I get many of them wrong even today. Okay. So that's not a big deal. Yes, guys. Yes, guys.
Option B.
Option B.
Option C.
Option C.
Sir, I think option
Yes.
B.
Look, the problem with this 97 question is that can you, by using hook and crook or whatever, can you divide this figure into equal areas? I mean, can we divide it into equal areas? This is the logic behind this question. B cannot be divided by using even this. Is there equal area? No. By even using this, is it the equal area? This one? No. Yes or no, guys? Okay. Even though this figure C seems to be disjointed, these two separate figures, if we just take this semicircle and keep it above over here. Sorry, guys. One moment. If we just take this semicircle and keep it above, let's imagine it as a semicircle. Will it be a complete circle? And this line, this basic line, is it dividing it into two equal parts, two equal areas? Guys, this is the logic behind this question. Okay. So which one will be the answer? Option B or C? Guys.
B.
Who?
B, sir.
B for beta. Beta, this is your answer. We cannot divide by any of these lines into two equal areas. Or by any chance, whether you use a line or you use this circle or whatever, it has to be into two equal areas. In this case, there is no way there is two equal areas, right? Had there been something like this in between, then you would have selected C, right? But there is no middle line like this, right, boys? Shall we move?
Yes, sir.
Cool. Thank you. Let's move, guys. Let's move quick. Okay. Only 15 right now. We still have half an hour. Okay, no problem. Yes. So, guys, we have started our class late, so please stay back. And we got to finish it up by tomorrow. So, at least 30 till 30 slides I want to reach today. Yes, guys, be quick.
Speaker. Please, sir.
Up, then down added, up added, down added, up added, then there will be down. Then this is not, this is not, this is not, because there is two, there is, 2 C is your answer. Okay. Next in the series, guys. 3 dots, 3 dots, 2 dots, 2 dots, 1 dot. There will be one more dot. Okay. Look at this. Okay. Now look at the arrow. 90°, but it became 2. Again, it remained 2. 2 times same iteration. Then it became 3. Again, it was 3. Now it will be in this direction, but this time it will be 4 of it. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Which is the answer, boys?
B, sir.
B, sir.
Anybody who has any doubt, why not D, why not C, why not A? Okay. When I look at your performances in reasoning and military aptitude, I'm like, seriously, come on, 32 questions, anything less than 25 by any chance is a bad performance. It's a very bad performance, abysmal. Okay. 1 or 2 questions here and there, okay, fine, that can be accepted. Okay, at max 3 questions. But you should also, up till 29, I can accept. Okay, fine, cool, no problem. And even those 3 questions, there will be 50-50, and 1 or 2 we will get it eventually right. Okay, either by gut feeling or by the grace of the question paper for the people who has set the question paper, right? Yes. Next in the series. Next in the series, guys, the figure which is outside is coming inside, right? So that means A, B is possible, A gone, C is not possible, D is there. Yes, guys, what do you think now? What do you think now? B or D? Which one should we lock? Quick, guys, quick. Look carefully. Zoom out and look. This is a triangle, then circle, then something like a pentagon, again circle, then triangle. What will come over here?
B, sir.
Circle, yeah, B, absolutely B. Anybody, any doubt, guys? Anybody, any doubt, guys? Quick, guys,
Sir,
quick.
can I repeat, sir?
Sorry?
Can I repeat, sir?
Yes. Look, buddy. Look. The figure which is outside, in the very next one, it is getting inside. Are you clear with this?
Yes, sir. I got it, sir. Second part.
Okay. So that means your B and D will be the answer. A and C chucked out. Okay. Now look at option A. We are just talking about outside figure. Triangle, circle in 2, in 3, a pentagon, then a circle, then a triangle. So what figure will you have here?
Okay, sir. Sir,
That is why P. Okay. Yes. Thank you so much, buddy. Good question. I wanted any one of you to ask. Eventually you asked. Yes, guys. Boys, quick. At least one analogy question I want to touch. Okay. And I don't know in which slide that question is. 2, 2, 3, 3. I'm talking about this one. 2, 2, 3, 3, 2. So there's a good chance that there'll be another 2. Right? Okay. In that case, what is this? One moment. Let me clear the ink. Yeah. 1 or 2 questions will be disturbing like this. From here, 2 dash are gone, this one and this one, right? So this figure has been formed. From here, 1 dash has gone from here, but over here there's a new dash which has come into the picture, right? Over here, the 3 dots, 3 dash, 3, 3, 2, 3, 2. Okay. This is a good one. Let me clear the ink, guys. Yes, so guys, look, can we eliminate question number option D? Can we? Because at least we should have one of these, comb-like structure, right? So there is a change in this, change in this, change in this. Then, okay. Second. What do you guys think about it? What do you guys think about it? I'm unable to think anything about it. Okay. There's like 2, 1, 1, 1, 1. Okay. Shall we check out this one? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. What do you guys think about it? Any breakthrough, guys? This one is same figure as this one. And this one is same figure as this one. Okay. Let's try to do it this way. Let's try to do it this way. But same figure also won't come into the picture. Okay, guys. We'll solve this question later, right? Guys, there will be a few of the questions that will be complete bouncer like this. Okay. And what we are supposed to do with those questions? Respect those questions. Those of you have receiving mentorship from you, what I've been telling you, they are like C type questions. Okay. Right. Maybe you will mark it B, but then eventually you are like, no, leave it. Better leave it. Okay. You don't know what is happening here and there. Okay. Yes, guys, any breakthrough, let me know. Okay. Or shall we try doing it once more? Problem.
So first we can eliminate from the options. Sir.
Yes, we can eliminate options. So option D is eliminated. And what other options we can eliminate? Can we eliminate option
Option
B?
C, sir. We can eliminate option C.
Why do you think we can eliminate option C?
In the first part, in the right side,
Yeah.
there is no, the box-like structure got disappeared, sir. In option C.
Yes, okay, it disappears. Okay, fine. Look, in that case, if from here, from two structure, it is becoming one structure, what if from this there becomes none of these structures? Okay, but you are right in the sense that even if this structure is removed, then why would we have something like this protruding over here, right?
Yes, sir.
Either you remove it completely or either you have it. So this way we can eliminate this one as well. Okay. Guys,
Yes, sir.
there is...
So, on the dot point from option A and B.
Yeah.
First, you said that in the first point, sir. So 2, 2, 3, 3 and 2, 2. So on that point, we can eliminate option B, sir.
Sorry, I did not get you.
So dot like structure, sir.
Yeah. 2, 2, 3, 3,
2, 3, 3.
2, 2. Okay. I think, guys, this is the only logic we should latch on, right? Right now. Yeah, you are right, buddy. You are right. Thank you so much. Thank you so much for the help, buddy. Yeah. Let's just latch on with this logic only. 2, 2, 3, 3, 2, and again there will be 2. Okay. So in none of the question we have anything like this, just 2. Okay. Thank you so much, buddy. Again, this same question, not completely 100% logical, but this is the one which is closest to your answer. Right, buddy?
Yes, sir.
This is the one which is closest to the answer. So you can take a call over here, or maybe if you are comfortably past the cutoff and you do not want to take risk, then you might want to leave. Okay. But if you have to take risk with option number A. For obvious reasons, look, there will be little bit of gut feeling. Many times, so by just looking at something, you will feel it. Okay, that feeling is also important, but not too much. Okay, when in the absence of logic, only we'll rely with that feeling. Okay, but over here we have some solid reasoning, logic also. There's this dot-like structure, two dot-like structure, three dot-like three, and two, right? Right, guys? Are you with me so far with me, guys? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Thank you so much. Shall we move? Yes, this is your. Yes, now we start. We have started. Somebody asked like 1 and 2 are same. So C and D. Okay. This is that exact question, please. Okay. Easy one. Easy one. A, guys. Outside 6, outside 5, hexagon, pentagon, square, triangle, right? Inside it's this one, then inside it will become like this. A, cool.
Yes, sir.
Let's discuss the tough ones like the ones we discussed before. Yes. Yes, guys, I need to leave you at 8:45. 9 more minutes. Yes, guys, just invert the triangle. These elements have remained at their own original position. Okay, so that means there will be one circle and couple of circle down, 2 circles. No, not work out, will not work out. Okay, then in that case, earlier it was inside, now it will be outside.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes.
A. Okay. Earlier it was outside, now it will be inside. Now let's invert this triangle. If we invert this triangle, this option and this option will also go. So we'll be left with only C as the answer. Right, guys? Yes.
Sir.
Yes. In doubt? No, no?
No, sir.
Cool. Let's do question number 93. Question number 93. Okay. So there is a circle outside one remains the same. Okay. This is also a good one. Good one, disputed one. Let's think through it. Yes. 2 concentric circle, 2 concentric square. Okay. One is outside. Guys, look. Look. Yes. First, you guys tell me what should be the answer. Which one should be the answer, guys?
I guess C, sir.
You guess.
Option C is relatable, sir.
Yeah. C is the best option over here. Why? Because the outer circle remains as it is. Okay. The outer square remains as it is. Okay. And in none of the cases it remains as it is. This one, 2 circles, damn sure it won't be the answer. Okay. When you look at this one more carefully, what you find that this arrow is pointing outwards. Okay. Arrow is pointing inwards. Okay. This one is also gone. In that case, why should we not have D as the answer, guys? Why have we eliminated D? Though it looks like C for sure. If that is the logic, the outer square remains as it is. We can also say the inner square remains as it is. Right? We will eliminate in that case C. Why? Because there is another hint. The hint is that this smaller dot, the smaller circle is what? Is shaded. And earlier when we dealt with, it was not shaded. Right, guys? So we will not go ahead with option C. We'll go ahead with option D in this case. Any doubt, any queries, guys? Shall we move, guys? It happens. I know it might feel a little bit awkward to you. You will eventually reach 50-50, two of them easily eliminating, and then the two options, eliminate one of them very, very carefully. Okay, very, very carefully. Right, guys? Over here, we cannot introduce a new element called shaded dot, and that is why we have to go ahead with option D and not C. Right, guys? Guys, 4 more minutes. Let's do a little bit more questions, guys. Come on, at least question, slide number 20 I should reach. Shall we move, guys? Quick. Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes. Thank you. Yes. Let's do it quick. Odd one out. 96. 2 straight lines, 1 dot. 3 straight line, 1, 2 dot. 3 straight line, 2 dots. 1 straight line, no dot.
D, sir.
B.
D, sir. D for delta.
Why do you think B for delta?
Sir, because the line is coming downwards, sir, but only in D it is upside. And also, continuously the line number of lines is increasing, sir. But from C to D it is constant.
Yes, continuously the number of line increasing, we are not supposed to deal with that. Why? Because this is an odd one out. This is not a series question. Right? Shruti, the problem over here is that the most prominent relationship is that we have is with this circle and this straight line. This is the most prominent relationship over here. Okay, between these two elements. Right? The orientation is the second priority. I've been telling you the first priority, I know. Then the third priority is your size. The exact elements will be your first priority, right? In the first one, there is still one line, but no dots. But yeah, absolutely. You are also right. One moment. Yeah, you are right. There is 2 lines. That means 2 lines, 1 circle. 1 line, 0 circle. It's not there. It's still there. 3 lines, 2 circle. Okay. Right, guys? Right? That way, we'll choose option D. Sorry, buddy. Your answer is correct, Shruti. That
But also in option D, the lines are very close. The 3 lines are much closer to each other.
But in option 1, there is no line at all.
So comparing to option B and C.
Yeah, absolutely. Okay. But had there been a situation like this for you guys, had it been something like, let's say, 1, 2, 3, and 4, and over here 1, 2, 3, you should have selected D. Sorry, okay. Or in otherwise, what am I saying? What I was telling to you. Actually, I'm just worried about your ma'am's next class. So in that case, over here, it's 1 line, 0 dot. Okay. At 2 lines, 1 dot, 3 lines, 2 dot. Okay. But had there been any other scenario, okay, any other scenario, let's say this scenario, one moment. This scenario wherein in this one, the dots are very closely spaced. Sorry, these lines are very closely spaced, like this. 1, 2, 3. Okay, 4 lines, 3 dots. In that case, you would have selected D. In that case, which one would you have selected? Sorry, let me. In that case, also you would have selected D. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah. In that case, you would have selected 1. The only point that I'm trying to establish over here is that the exact elements, okay, the spacing between the lines, okay, the size of the elements, okay, these are not your priorities. These are not your priorities. Even though D is the correct answer, I understand, but this won't be your first priority. Exact elements like the ones where we were solving one question, somebody mentioned that a new element has been introduced. Okay. So it's kind of the same element, no? This is the point I wanted to drive over here. Your answer is correct. Okay. Shall we move to the next question, guys?
Yes, sir.
Cool. Cool, guys. Let's be quick. C. Anybody who wants to contest with C? C. 97C, guys. All the angles are same. See, it's different. 98, guys. 98. 98, guys. Again, it's C.
Yes, sir. Option C.
Okay. Two of them are pointing to one direction. Two of them are pointing to one direction. Over here, they are not pointing to a particular direction. What is 99?
C, sir.
Again, C. Okay. The logic behind this is that had there not been this line, okay, had there not been this line, this particular line, this question would have got disputed. Okay. Again, you would have concluded, okay, fine, there is only one line which is a diameter. In all other circles, there are two diameters. Right, guys? Shall we go with 100? Yep.
B, sir.
B.
Yes, sir.
I would say D. Just
B.
yeah, D. Orientation. A and C are same. Move it 2 times clockwise, you will get B. Will you? But D, will you ever get D? Will you ever get D? Essentially, A, B, and C are the same figures. D is a different figure, guys. Right? Cool. Thank you so much. Yes, let's do this one. Slide number 20. This is the last question for the day. Let's just put a mirror image over here and you will get this one. Let's put a, yes, Shiva Kumar, you are just pretty, on time to class. Welcome back.
Option B, sir.
Yes, option B is the correct. Let's do one more, at least one more. We have 2 more minutes, guys. Let's do how much we can do in 2 more minutes. Yes. Yes, guys. Obviously, option B. 1 circle, then there's 2 circle. Right? Guys.
Yes.
Yeah. Serious? Sorry. AFCAT, they ask you these type of question as well. This type of, yes, next in the series. Okay, fine. This will ask you for a little bit of thought. Okay. So let's stop here, guys. We have done with up to slide number 21. We'll start from slide number 22.